Drill 2. We are using a manuscript pen on a graph pad and we are working at a 45-degree angle, and drill 2 is creating waves. This is to learn the control of the tool, the working of the tool. The slower you work, the faster you learn. If you're a student, you'll be able to do great projects. If you're a grown-up, you can do art journaling, you can make your own stationery, you can make stationery for your friends. You can do a number of things. You can write your favorite poems. You can make little notes, stick them in every corner of the house, spread positivity. I'm breaking my stroke at the change of every line. It gives me more control. It gives my hand a break. It doesn't get tired. It's quite meditative in nature. I hope you enjoy calligraphy. Begin and ask me if you have any questions.